Are you struggling to conduct market research with limited resources? Nonprofits can still gather valuable insights without breaking the bank. Let's explore affordable strategies to enhance your research efforts. Start by identifying specific questions or challenges your nonprofit wants to address. Prioritize these objectives to focus your research. This ensures the effort is manageable given your resources. Clear objectives guide your research effectively. Do desk research by reviewing existing data and reports. Government data and trade association reports are valuable. Academic research and nonprofit statistics can inform your strategies. Analyze similar organizations' websites and reports for benchmarking. Desk research is a cost-effective starting point. Analyze your own donor, volunteer, and beneficiary databases. Uncover trends in demographics and engagement. Use communication channels to gather feedback or distribute surveys. Internal resources offer valuable insights. This approach maximizes existing assets. Online surveys are cost-effective for gathering data. Use free tools like Google Forms or SurveyMonkey. Conduct interviews or focus groups virtually to save costs. Monitor social media and website analytics for behavioral data. Affordable methods provide deep insights. Collaborate with similar organizations to share research costs. Joint surveys and projects can be more efficient. Tap into the expertise of board members or volunteers. Their experience in research is invaluable. Partnerships enhance research capabilities. Use free online analytics tools to track engagement. Google Analytics helps monitor website traffic. Social media insights reveal audience trends. Free guides assist in designing surveys and focus groups. Low-cost tools are essential for research. Seek feedback from your community, donors, and volunteers. Use informal conversations or suggestion boxes. Quick polls can gather immediate insights. Involve stakeholders in brainstorming sessions. Engaging stakeholders strengthens your research. Nonprofits can conduct effective market research without high costs. By defining clear objectives and leveraging resources, insights are within reach. Affordable strategies ensure valuable outcomes. Embrace these methods to enhance your research. Success is achievable with the right approach.